chocolate bun. Okay, that's not good rhyme. And you can help me with my homework. My sister's homework. She has to find words that begin with on. Fun. Sun. Yeah, right? Like, who doesn't want to run? You want to do the beep. You want to run. You want some fun. You are staring at me like you're going to win a staring contest, dude. So, you already won. No. Run. You want to get out of there? You want to jump? You want to play all day like crazy? You want to run? You just screamed. You screamed. Like that. Now you screamed. You're learning how to talk. Say hello. Now you're squeezing your daddy's finger. Yeah, just like my little sister, she squeezed my finger and turned it purple. Yeah, sometimes babies could be really strong.
Hello?
Huh?
¿Cómo estás, mami? Estoy en un listo, imagínate.
Igual.
Mira, estoy en ese cuarto. No, estoy acá, Tracy, ¿cuánto? Estoy a la hora 15, que estoy ya la pesó, ya la midieron. Estoy esperando que le tuve con el doctor, pues.